Before buying an electric fuel pump, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. VCAP Red and Black Pump. First up is the VCAP Automatic Electric Fuel Transfer Pump in red and black, priced at $39.98. What caught my attention here is its patented auto stop feature, which prevents messy spills while filling up. If you want safe, hassle-free fueling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The auto stop sensor halts the flow as soon as your tank hits capacity, so you won't waste a drop of fuel. Plus, with a flow rate of 3.8 gallons per minute, you won't be waiting around forever to fill up. Rated at 4.4 stars from over 524 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice, with more than 1,000 units sold just last month. Now, some customers did mention that it can be incompatible with certain types of gas cans, particularly Scepter Smart Control cans. Here's the thing though, if you check your can's compatibility before buying, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need something light and portable for multiple vehicles like cars, motorcycles, or even boats. Skip this one if you own a Scepter Smart Control can and don't want the hassle of finding a different pump. For $39.98, it offers solid value for peace of mind. Now, if the incompatibility of the previous product bothered you, this next one might actually be even better for different fueling needs. Product number 2, VCAP Gray Pump. Next, let's talk about the VCAP Automatic Electric Fuel Transfer Pump in gray, which is priced slightly lower at $38.98. Its sleek design caught my eye, but what really matters here is the same trusted auto stop feature. This pump is a great option because it shares the same specs as the red and black version, meaning you get the reliable 3.8 gallons per minute flow rate and the leak-proof design. It's lightweight at just 1.4 pounds, making it super portable. Plus, with universal fit adapters, you can use it with most North American gas cans, making it a hassle-free option for anyone. However, people have noted that its performance can slightly lag with thicker liquids. But honestly, unless you're dealing with something unusual, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for most typical fueling tasks. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable pump that works across various fuel types without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you only need to fill large barrels, as it's better suited for standard gas cans. At $38.98, it's a smart investment for everyday fueling solutions. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually surprise you with its affordability. Product number 3, VCAP Yellow and Black Pump. Next up is the VCAP Automatic Electric Fuel Transfer Pump in yellow and black, priced at an even lower $37.98. The bright colors are eye-catching, but what really stands out is its same impressive features. You're still getting that auto stop technology and the same high-speed flow rate of 3.8 gallons per minute. This means you can quickly fill your tank without worrying about spills. It's ideal for various vehicles, including cars and boats, and it comes with 4 adapters for universal fit. Some users have mentioned that they wish the hose was a bit longer for larger vehicles. Here's the thing, though, it does come with a 51-inch hose, which is pretty standard. Unless you have an unusually large setup, it should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly pump that doesn't skimp on features. Skip this one if you're specifically looking for a pump that can handle larger operations under unique conditions. At $37.98, you're getting a reliable tool for any garage. Now, if you're looking for something more specialized, the next product is going to catch your interest. Product number 4, Solid Inline Pump. Now, let's switch gears to the solid electric fuel pump, priced at just $9.99. This one caught my eye because it's such an affordable option for low-pressure fuel needs. The solid pump operates at 2.5 to 4 psi, which is perfect for applications like lawn mowers or small engines. With a flow rate of 30 gallons per hour, it's efficient for its size. Given its low price and over 2,600 reviews, you can see why many people trust it for smaller jobs. However, I did notice some feedback regarding durability over long-term use. Some buyers expressed concern that it might not last as long as more expensive options. But I'll be real with you, at this price point, it's hard to expect a pump to perform like those premium models. This is perfect for you if you need an economical solution for smaller engines or machinery. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty pump for larger vehicles. For $9.99, it's a steal for light use. Now, if you're looking for something more reliable for bigger tasks, stick around for the next product. Product number 5, MegaFlint Inline Pump. Lastly, we have a MegaFlint Inline Fuel Pump priced at $21.99. This one really impressed me with its consistent pressure output and robust build quality, delivering 5 to 9 psi and a flow rate of 30 GPH. This pump is ideal for various automotive applications, including classic cars and boats. It even features a pre-filter to help reduce clogs, which is critical for maintaining engine health. Plus, it's designed for up to 10,000 hours of life, making it a solid investment for long-term use. Some users have reported that installation can be a bit tricky. However, once you get it set up, it performs reliably. Here's the thing. If you're not comfortable with some DIY work, it may take a bit of patience. This is perfect for you if you want a durable pump that's built to last and can handle a variety of fuel types. Skip this one if you're not up for a little bit of installation work. For $21.99, it provides fantastic value for its performance and durability. So, to wrap it up, the VCAP models are all about reliability and convenience, while the Solon offers an affordable solution for smaller tasks. The MegaFlint stands out with its durability and efficiency. No matter what you need, there's an option here for everyone. Make sure you pick one that fits your specific requirements for the best fueling experience.